To do this DIY, you're going to need a wooden jar from Walmart. I got this for $1. You're also going to need a few sheets of foam. I got this from Dollar Tree for $1 as well. So start off by taking out a piece of foam and cutting out a heart. If you're satisfied with how big the heart is and how it fits in your jar, you can use this as a template to create as many hearts as you want to. I've separated my hearts into 2 stacks like this, and I'm going to be using red and blue glitter. You can use any color of glitter you want to. For the sake of the 4th of July theme, I've chosen these 2 colors, but you can make them all red or you can make them colorful. It's up to you. And this process is fairly simple. You just have to apply a bit of glue on the surface of each heart and then sprinkle on some glitter and let it set for 5 minutes and dust off the excess. How mine turned out. And now I'm going to quickly do the blue hearts as well. And now you can go ahead and place your hearts where you like them, and if you're happy with how they look, you can go ahead and hot glue them down. Now there are a few ways you can decorate your jar. Here are 3 ideas. The first is you can neatly place them in rows. The second is have the hearts coming out of the jar. And the third one, which is the one that I went for, is have them just sprinkled out in the jar. And now I'm going to be taking a few flowers I got from Dollar Tree. These cost $3. And I'm just going to use 3 flowers. And I don't want to cut out the stalk because I want to use it again, so I'm using straws instead. So I'll be hot gluing the straws to the flowers. And once I figure out how much straw I need, I'm going to be cutting out the excess. And I'm going to be doing the same with the other 2 flowers. Once that's done, I'm going to be hot gluing the straws to the wooden bowl. And I'm going to be doing this with all 3 flowers. And as you can see, there's a bit of excess straw poking up, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scissors and cut out the excess. I recommend using the pen knife because it is much easier and it is much faster. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and take your string. I got this from Walmart as well, and you're just going to tie it around and cover up the straws. Once you're done, you can cut off the excess string and hot glue it down. This is how mine turned out. If you liked it, please click the like button, subscribe.